friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove or off the password screen password on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. When you move on the setting, you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you have to click on the password and security. Okay, so here is the password and security. So here you have to click on password and security. When you move on the password and security in this page, what you need to do is that, in this screen, here just click on this screen lock. Okay, you have to click here on this screen lock. When you move on the screen lock, here you have to confirm your password, okay, that you have been set on this screen lock. Just confirm the password by just typing. See, I type the password, and here after that you have to click on the next option. Okay, so friends, when you click on the next option here, what you need to do is that, suppose you set the face lock, fingerprint lock, pattern lock, pin lock, password, any screen lock password you set, but you can follow these steps. Okay, you can follow these steps. By just following these steps, you can turn off any password, you can unlock any password. Okay, just follow this step. Suppose you set the first lock, but you can follow this video, you can watch this video and follow these steps, and your face lock will be removed successfully. What you need to do is that, to remove the password, here is the turn off screen lock option. Just click on turn off screen lock option. After that, it has given here example what it is used to happen. Okay, so please try to read this important notice. Okay, this is the example. After that, just click on the OK. When you click on the OK, here the password has been removed successfully. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.